Hafele's Hailo Euro Cargo Laundry Carrier 45 and 60 for Cabinet Vision is now available from Solid Setup. Activating this hardware is a very simple process. Simply select the correct hardware, and when the cabinet is the correct size, the hardware will automatically activate, which can then be saved into your library. Accurate hardware models and drilling provide complete confidence that the client or the user has selected the right product. Solid Setup's website provides complete documentation on what is provided with this package and how to use. These packages will work in advanced and ultimate Cabinet Vision versions 9 and onwards. Thank you for watching another Solid Setup presentation.